In section 3, we're going to be discussing ramps. A ramp is a walkway that is unobstructed that provides an accessible route to the entrance of our building. In 3.1, ramps longer than 6 feet must have railings on both sides. Behind me, I have a concrete ramp, which again is non-obstructed, and it's a perfect surface for what we're looking for. But I'm going to go ahead and measure it to make sure that we are in compliance with this standard. And this ramp, in fact, is not 6 feet, so we are fine here with what we have in front of the building. In section 3.2, it actually states that if this ramp were in fact longer than 6 feet, it would require railings on either side that were sturdy, at least 34 to 38 inches in height. 3.3 states that our ramps have to be stable, firm, and slip resistant. Here I have concrete, so it meets all those requirements, and in fact any material that's going to be made out of your ramp has to at least meet those 3 standards. 3.4 states that with our ramps, if it is a 30-foot or more ramp, or if it has switchbacks, these points of different travel as we have here, that the landings have to be at least 5 foot long. So I'm going to measure to make sure, because we do have these switchbacks, that we are the proper measurement. Here I have over 5 feet. Up here I have at 5 feet. Up here I have at 5 feet. And also the landing in front of our accessible entrance has to be 5 feet as well. And it is in fact 5 feet. So I know that this ramp on this building will meet the requirements that we're looking for the accessible ramp. So to summarize this section of ramps, we want to make sure that we remember the key things that we talked about. Every ramp must have a landing at the top and the bottom. If the ramp is greater than 6 feet, it must have railing on either side, at least 34 to 38 inches in height. Also, we want to make sure that our ramps are stable and they're secure and they're not obstructed. So behind us, we can see here that at every switchback, we have the proper landing, and we have the proper landing at the entrance of our route of travel and right here at our accessible entrance, letting us know that this route of travel and this ramp is appropriate for what we were looking for in this section.